Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, let us look at the economical events calendar for today. Today is Tuesday, August 23rd. At 12:45 p.m. we have high impact news planned for euro related currency pairs. Again at 1 p.m. we have high impact news planned for euro related currency pairs. And at 2 p.m. we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. And at 7:15 p.m. we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Then at 7:30 p.m. we have medium impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So today we have lots of high impact news for major currency pairs. Always trade with a stop loss and request you to have a proper trading plans before entering into a trade. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame now. It is very clear that the current trend of the price action is still in a very strong bearish trend. Previously it tested the higher resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. Currently it is on a retracement or in a very strong bearish trend. The candle has opened in red color and also it has opened below the previous closing, which shows that the strong downtrend is still there. Even though we know that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, we have lots of high impact news planned for today. So have a proper trading plan before starting your trade. It has also crossed the midline of the bearish channel pattern. You can see the dotted line. So if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be the support line of the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame. So this line will be acting as a support for the current price action in the daily time frame. And once the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to continue with bearish trend in daily time frame and take support on the next level of support from the bearish channel pattern. So I am using the Fibonacci extension tool to understand the next level of support and resistance levels for the current price action. So from the Fibonacci levels, we can understand that currently the price action is taking support on the 0.382 level, which is around 1732. So wait for the price action to break the support level of 1732 in order to continue trading on the bearish side. Although we know that the current trend of the price action is in the bearish side, but still we need the confirmation. For now, the confirmation on the bearish trend continuation will come once the price action breaks this support level. And even if the price action retraces also, we can expect it to take resistance at the resistance level of 1761 and then continue with bearish side trend, because overall trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend in daily time frame also. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the start of the bullish side retracement. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1808, which was the previous high. But for now, no need to worry about the bullish trend. It is still in a very strong bearish trend in daily time frame also. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame also, when we look at the price action, it is in a very nice bearish trend. And currently it has taken support on the support level of 1732 and it is on a bullish side retracement from this support level. When we look at the past price action on the left hand side, this level had acted as a resistance level in the past and currently it is acting as a support level for the current price action. So I would request you to wait for the price action to break the support level from the higher time frame in order to continue trading on the bearish side trend from the higher time frame. So I have drawn a resistance line or a trend line over here. So as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish side, and once the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to continue with bullish side retracement and to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1761. This level had also acted as a strong support in the past, and for the current price action, this level will be acting as a resistance level. And once the price action breaks the support level of 1732, we can expect it to trend on the bearish side. Next level of support is going to be around 1709. Or the bearish channel pattern trend line or the support line from the daily time frame, which is around 1700. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. So wait for the price action to break the support level between 1732 to 1730 in order to continue trading on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously the price action was in a bearish trend and it has taken support on the higher time frame support level of 1730 to 1732, and currently the price action is in a retracement. And if the bullish side retracement continues also, we can expect it to take resistance on the hourly time frame resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side trend reversal. Wait for the price action to break the support line in order to take trades on the bearish side in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance, it's going to be the higher time frame resistance level of 1761. And if the price action breaks this support area, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis for 5 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to form a similar to an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Wait for the price action to break the previous high of 1740 in order to continue trading on the bullish side in 5 minutes time frame. And if the bullish side retracement continues, we can expect it to take resistance on the hourly time frame trend line or the resistance line. And wait for the price action to break the support line from the 30 minutes time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side. First level of support is going to be around 1730, and if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. So we have lots of high impacting news planned for today in major currency pairs. So requesting you to always trade with a stop loss and always enter into the trade at the higher time frame resistance levels or the support levels. Don't enter into the trade in the middle of a resistance level or a support levels. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.